Nano drone from Morrison Innovations. We took the world's smallest quadcopter and made it even easier and fun for beginners to fly. Our new patent-pending design provides a more forgiving flight process while protecting the blades and motors at the same time. There will be 3 introductory colors to choose from on Indiegogo. All Nano drones will now come with our new packaging that also doubles as a protective storage case. The all-new 3-speed calibration system provides smoother lift and maneuverability, reducing the pogo stick effect that new flyers experienced with the previous design. We have also improved the 6-axis stabilization, which allows the Nano drone to hover remarkably well. It can now hover less than an inch off of the surface below in addition to higher altitudes. Our patent-pending blade guard design allows the new Nano drone to lightly bump ceilings and walls without causing the blades to fly off, which previously resulted in short flight times, devastating crashes, and the need for repairs. While not indestructible, the new design is certainly more forgiving. Software upgrades provide smoother 360-degree rotation, also referred to as yaw, allowing you to easily adjust the orientation of your drone mid-flight. We have designed what we believe to be the perfect learner drone that will save you thousands of dollars while you perfect the mechanics of quadcopter flight, before moving on to larger, more expensive equipment. Thank you for viewing our campaign. We hope you'll decide to back the all-new Nano drone.
Hey, my name is Robert Morrison, and I am the founder of Axis Drones, and today I have with me the Wallet drone. The Wallet drone is the world's smallest quadcopter. It fits inside of the controller itself, which is the size of a wallet, fits perfectly into your pocket. Not only does the quadcopter fit inside of the remote control, but it actually uses the remote control's batteries to charge itself while not in use, making it go virtually anywhere that you can. This is the most portable, compact quadcopter on the market.
So we've had probably about 5 or 6 different remote control planes, but the Wallet drone seems to last forever. Maybe it's the size, the small size of it, but it flew longer than just about any other copter we've ever used.
The Wallet drone is available in 4 unique colors: blue, green, yellow, and orange. Get yours today on Indiegogo for a simple contribution, and we'll deliver one right to your pocket.
Introducing Lumi, a cutting-edge gaming drone. Lumi is a highly advanced, yet easy-to-fly quadcopter that self-stabilizes, follows you, plays games, and is programmable.
We set out to create a whole new experience with drone flight by making it accessible to everyone: kids, adults, boys, and girls.
Lumi is ready to go right out of the box. Simply insert a battery, turn on the beacon, load the app, and press takeoff. Performing stunts, flying, landing, all happen at the touch of a button.
After removing the complexity of flight, our team began to push the boundaries of what drones could really do, and we placed our focus on creating a new genre of drones: gamified flight.
Lumi to the Beat is about rhythm and reflexes. Quickly match the color of the drone's LED to the corresponding color on your app. As you advance, the game speeds up and you unlock new tricks. Keep up with the beat to stay airborne. If you make a mistake, the drone drops. When you hit the ground, the game is over.
We understand that gaming is more fun in numbers, so we wanted to make flying a drone more than just a solo event with spectators. We wanted to create a true multiplayer experience, so everyone can get in on the action.
Lumi is a programmable drone. In choreography mode, you have the unique capability to create timeline sequences by combining multiple moves and actions, LED controls, with music from your personal library. Press play and watch Lumi move to the beat of the chosen song while performing your created sequence.
Last, but certainly not least, we tackled Follow Me and perfected what others have tried to accomplish.
Simply tap the button, pick up the beacon, and Lumi will follow your every move.
This long-awaited feature is finally a reality. Hi, I'm Sydney, and this is Davin.
We noticed that many people were having a hard time getting the hang of flying quadcopters, broken propellers, dead batteries. People weren't really able to climb the learning curve and really get the handle on flying RC-controlled quadcopters.
While the drone market is flooded with quadcopters, we really saw this as a place where we could add value. We wanted to create something that is affordable, easy to fly, but above all, really fun. And that's how Lumi came to be.
We took our latest and greatest sensors that allow a quadcopter to know where it is in 3 space. We added in some gesture and obstacle avoidance sensors, and we've created a platform where you can literally have a quadcopter fly itself while you build a game.
So we have games already, but we really feel that we've only scratched the surface, and we're turning to you guys. You guys are super innovative, and you guys embrace tech, and we'd love to see what you're able to come up with in terms of how to gamify flight.
We'll provide you with smart beacons, we'll provide you with Lumi with live telemetry data streaming to your computer. You'll be able to build iOS or Android apps natively and come up with all kinds of cool games.
By backing this project, not only will you get access to this exclusive developer kit, but you'll also get Lumi before everyone else and at a super affordable price.
And we're really psyched to see what you guys come up with and where this goes.
Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you.